So guys, it's a short intro on how to use timesheet application. So as soon as you open it, first time it will be asking for your full name, branch and division, but in general we will try to register you beforehand, so you won't be asked that, but in case you are, so just simply enter that and yeah, select any needed one. Sorry about that showing not in correct place, because I'm doing it from computer. You should be prompted on your screen. So, and after that, save and continue. So in that application we can do three things how we can record the day. So first one is clock in, clock out. So at the start of the day we can say, I don't know, Monday, and just clock in and our hours start counting, and at the end of the day we can just clock out like that, and like enable overtime if, for example, we work longer than we plan to, so we can change that. And yeah, that's it. After that, clock out and the whole day will be recorded. So we can see that in our record for Sunday, July 27. Another thing, we can at the end of the day or in the middle of the day when you're working, you can enter the start and end time for a particular day. So because now it's Sunday, so it automatically asking for the times for Sunday, so we can change the times. Again, on your phone it will be in correct place, it's just because of the computer it's showing not in correct place. So we can change the time here, or if we enter in just new day it will be just zeros and we can add whatever. And yeah, so we adjusted our hours. We can change it from work to annual or sick or leave, and also yeah, add the comments. Yeah, and that's it. And also, for example, if we started at one time and after that there was a break, or I don't know, you worked 4 hours at the morning and 4 hours on the evening, so we can add another entry and change it, let's say from 4 p.m. and we work until, let's say, 10 p.m. and it was work hours, yeah, and it was overtime, so and save that. So that's how we can provide information for just one day. So clock in, it just clock in, clock out automatically, and another one is edit day, and the last one is edit the full week. So we can edit the information for the current week from Monday to Sunday. So on Monday you still available to change dates for your last week. So yeah, again, start finish time, let's select some AM, and we finished at 5 p.m. and it was work hours and with overtime. We didn't work on Tuesday, Thursday, and blah blah blah. Yeah, and let's save it, and we will see that it will populate our Monday this week. Yeah, that's so 3 hours overtime, so we can see short overview of our day. If there will be comments, it will be showing here in the middle. If long comments, it will be shortened, but yeah, it how it is. So that basically it's not a biggie. So if you have any question, just email me. I will try to resolve it. If you have any ideas, also happy to listen and maybe apply them. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you for your participation in that. See you guys.